हैदराबाद और चेन्नई की टक्कर इस लीग में दूसरी बार मैच खेला जाएगा दुबई में। अगर आप सही टीम चुनेंगे फैंटेसी में तो आपको फायदा होगा। कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप ये सोचिए काश मैंने उसको चुना होता। ये ना हो इसलिए हमने आकाश चोपड़ा को बुलाया इस शो पर, जिसका नाम है माई 11 सर्कल फैंटेसी पिक ऑन ESPN क्रिकेट इन्फो। सबसे पहले प्रो टिप ध्यान रखो, given both teams have been top heavy this season, pick only top order batsmen from both sides. चोपड़ा साहब, do you agree?
एब्सोल्युटली you're asking an opener की क्या ये मैं अग्रीमेंट में हूँ या नहीं हूँ। बिल्कुल हूँ जी, पूरी तरीके से हूँ कि ये आप ओपनर्स को पिक कीजिए। और टू बी ऑनेस्ट अगर हैदराबाद की बात करें मियां, तो वहां पर तो सिर्फ टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन ही नजर आते हैं। और दूसरी वाली टीम में चेन्नई में हैं बाद में बल्लेबाज भी जरूर, लेकिन जो रन्स बनाए हैं वो वॉटसन और फैफ ने बनाया। तो मैं आपकी बात से पूरी तरह से सहमत हूँ मनीष।
और इस बार तो वार्नर के सामने जोफ्रा आर्चर भी नहीं है। खैर, सारे प्लेयर्स अवेलेबल हैं फॉर सिलेक्शन, लेकिन एक और बार रूल्स याद दिला दे। प्लीज नो दैट एवरी यूजर ऑन माई 11 सर्कल हैज 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers, and all-rounders, with a maximum of 7 players allowed from one particular team, and users are allowed to choose 4 substitutes as well. Ambati Rayudu is going to be our captain. He's gotten off to decent scores in his last 2 outings, but has failed to make it big. Now he's consistently getting starts, and that is a very good sign against a team he's done very well in the past. He should succeed. So Ambati Rayudu is going to be our captain. We're going with Rashid Khan. Remember, Tewatia did hit him for those 3 brilliant boundaries, but we believe Rashid Khan is the kind of stock we want to back. He's been phenomenal in this tournament. He's picked up 6 wickets in the last 3 games at an economy of under 5. He bowled 4 overs for 12 runs in the last time these two teams met. Ambati Rayudu and Rashid Khan, captain and vice captain. We've got 3 more top picks for you. Shane Watson is there. Now he's found his touch again. He scored 2 half centuries in his last 3 innings. Against this side, one would expect him to fire, especially in the absence of Bhuvneshwar Kumar, who dismissed him twice in 3 innings since 2019 in this league. He scored 245 runs in his last 4 innings against this team at a strike rate of 169. Kane Williamson played a terrific cameo in the last game. He bats at 4. He may get to bat a few more overs if Manish Pandey doesn't fire. We believe Kane Williamson is the kind of player you must have in your top picks. David Warner has been extremely consistent over the last few games. He's a fantastic pick for your fantasy team, given he has scored 160 runs in his last 3 innings, including 250s. So, Ambati Rayudu, the captain, Rashid Khan, the vice captain, and Shane Watson, Kane Williamson, and David Warner are the other top picks. We've really followed our pro tip, haven't we, Akash?
We have, and we should have followed it even closely. मुझे लगता है कि where is Johnny Bairstow, man? Johnny Bairstow, actually, if I were to make a team, I'll make him the captain. He got dismissed in the previous match cheaply, so he is due to fire. He's also wicket keeper, will take a few catches, maybe a stumping of Rashid Khan, and he opens the innings and he is in the form of his life. So if he has failed once, मुझे तो लगता है भाई जॉनी बहुत मारेंगे, ऐसा मुझे प्रतीत होता है। तो मैं तो उनको कप्तान बनाऊंगा, बाकी सभी बातों से मैं सहमत।
अगर सब्र होगा तो शायद जॉनी बेस्टो आ जाएगी। अभी हमने हमारा रिकमेंडेड 11 अनरावल नहीं किया, रिवील नहीं किया, थोड़ा सब्र करें। लेकिन सबसे पहले 2 डिफरेंशियल पिक्स हैं जिनको आप कम क्रेडिट पॉइंट्स में खरीद सकते हो, आपको बहुत बड़ा मुनाफा हो सकता है उनकी वजह से। दीपक चाहर हैज बीन Chennai's most successful bowler in the power play since 2018. He's picked up 28 wickets at an economy of under 7.5. Even this season he's picked up 3 wickets in the power play, and we believe he will trouble Hyderabad openers a fair bit. If the ball moves a little bit in the early overs, Deepak Chahar could win you lots and lots of points. Shardul Thakur has been excellent for Chennai in the middle overs as well as the death. He has an economy of just over 7 in the middle overs, where he's picked up 4 wickets, and at the death he's picked up 2 wickets at a slightly expensive economy of close to 11. So Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur, the 2 differential picks. Now, this should make Akash Chopra smile, because Johnny Bairstow is in our 11 as the only wicket keeper. We're going in with 5 batsmen in David Warner, Kane Williamson, Faf du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu, our captain, and Shane Watson. Sam Curran is the only all-rounder. Among the bowlers, we've got Rashid Khan, the vice-captain, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur, and Khalil Ahmed. No MS Dhoni in the recommended 11, but he does feature on our substitutes alongside Karan Sharma, Manish Pandey, and T. Natarajan. No Dhoni, Akash, your thoughts?
नहीं, मैं भी पिक नहीं करता टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ना ये फैंटेसी पिक की प्रॉब्लम ही यही है कि इसमें ना इमोशंस जो हैं देयर एक्सेस बैगेज, और एक्सेस बैगेज आप नहीं कैरी कर सकते हो। आई लव धोनी टू बिट्स, आई वांट हिम टू फायर, पर मुझे ये भी पता है कि बैटिंग नीचे कर रहे हैं, उतनी बढ़िया बैटिंग का फॉर्म अभी तक आया नहीं है। एक विकेट कीपर मुझे पिक करना है, मैंने जॉनी बेस्टो को कर लिया है, क्योंकि एक तो मिनिमम पिक करना है, आप 2 भी पिक कर सकते हैं, पर द कीपर दैट आई हैव पिक्ड, I've gone with Johnny Bairstow. No Dhoni, no surprises. Of course, Karan Sharma, मुझे लग रहा था कि आप दीपक और शार्दुल में से किसी एक को छोड़कर you could easily feature Karan Sharma because these are big boundaries. And now finally, the pitches have started to slow down a little in the UAE. This game is in Dubai. The boundaries are fairly huge, and Karan Sharma with his flight and his guile might have a role to play. But that's about it. Everything else, I'm in agreement.
Right, thanks Akash. We've gone with Raidu as our captain, but we've got an alternate scenario for you on that front. Going by Watson's record against Hyderabad and his recent form, he is a very good choice for captain, especially if Chennai bats second, given he averages 68 and strikes at 174 in the second innings versus Hyderabad since 2018. So you've heard from Akash, you saw our 11, but we've got another opinion for you. Yes, we've got Arjun giving us his high-risk 11. He's taken a few chances. He's not been very watchful and cautious like Akash and I are generally. So let's take a look at what Arjun has to offer on his high-risk 11. Arjun?
So I made 3 changes to the squad. Narayan Jagdishan comes in for Warner. Priyam Garg comes in for Faf. My thinking is that Chennai are going to bowl better because MS Dhoni suggested that they have to bowl better, and Warner is not going to perform, and everybody is going to pick Warner. So I'm going with Jagdishan. Jagdishan has performed he looked in good touch in the last game, so I'm going with him. Priyam Garg because again I'm expecting the SRH top order to fail, and Priyam Garg and Kane Williamson to do much of the batting, so he comes in. Karan Sharma comes in for Khalil. Karan Sharma because the spinners have a good record at this ground, and again Khalil has performed well in the last game. More people are going to go for him and less people are going to go for Karan, so there's high risk high reward option. And yeah, captain and vice captain have changed. I'm going with Kane Williamson as my captain. He's been performing well in the last few games, and again expecting that the SRH stop order would fail, and Manish Pandey who would fail. He's not in my team, and that's why Kane Williamson could get most of the runs. So Kane Williamson comes in. Shane Watson is vice captain because he has a fantastic record against SRH, and I think he'll click. Most people won't go for him as vice captain, but again, that's a high risk, high reward option. So Watson is my vice captain.
Where else will you get 3 different perspectives on what to do with your fantasy team? You heard from Akash as well. You saw our 11. So mull over all that, think of all that, and then get your fantasy teams right and win lots and lots of prizes. For now, thanks so much, Akash, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.